What's up, guys? As I mentioned in last week's quick little update video, I was going to do a little more of an in-depth review of the Maxi Trash Caddy that can fit on tires between 29 and 40 inches. And I think overall, quality is super good. At the time of this video, when I purchased this bag, I got it for under 30 bucks. In fact, I think with the coupon Napa was running, I got it for like 26. Which was a super good deal. Particularly the quality of it. Has really nice, good quality clasp. Nice, probably ABS plastic. But it has really good compartments on the side, some in the front, much like the Trasharoo. And then, of course, it has the expansion with the drawstrings. And then it has a pretty nice sized bag for your trash, because that's ultimately what this is for. I mean, it does provide some additional storage on your spare tire, but ultimately, you know, what it's mainly for is for trash. I mean, you could use this for other things, I'm sure, but at least for me, I'm definitely going to use it for its intended purpose, which is for it to hold my trash when I go camping and things like that. But yeah, I'll throw the camera up real quick and I'll go over some of the features and materials and things like that, just to do a quick little update. Okay, so like I was saying before, it has really nice quality straps, good quality clasp as well. Looks like on the back there's not much to it, of course, because this is going to lay against the spare tire. It does have a little hook loop here for you to attach things to, but then we have a good size side pocket, which opens up completely and it expands pretty wide, which is nice. You can throw some extra supplies in there. Also has some nice hook and loops on the sides that you can strap things to as well. I think the biggest thing to remember is this is going to be hanging on the back of your spare tire on the back of the car, so whatever's going to be in here needs to be able to survive the elements. But it does have these nice pockets. There's one on this side. It doesn't go through. It does have the stitching in the middle to prevent that, but I think that honestly adds to the structure, and it also makes the pocket a tad bit stronger. This means that you can't really put too large of an item in here. Otherwise, you wind up with, you could tear the pockets. It looks like on the other side, we have a matching pocket just like over there. It's on the side, has the hooking loops on the side too, which is quite nice. And then as mentioned before, this is just a very deep pocket to put your trash. You could put stuff inside of this as well. It does seem to be like it's made out of probably like a polyester. I don't know that it is necessarily waterproof. I'm sure if it rains enough, it would probably get through this, but I think it will certainly be water resistant at the very least. But yeah, this is another one of those good quality products that is coming out of the Maxi Trac brand from Napa Auto Parts. And I'm pretty excited to see some of this stuff. I mean, they seem to be producing some really good products. Let's just check the box and see if there's anything I missed. Yep, it says it is water resistant, PVC coated, attaches to the back of the vehicle, flaps keep rain and mud out, cinch top closure under flap, has drainage holes. I didn't notice that. Oh, yep, it does, right here at the bottom. So in case something spills or if water does make its way in there. And then it has lashing points and a zippered pocket. But yeah, I think this is one of those items that it's another good addition to the Maxi Trac brand, and another good quality offering in terms of the overlanding, camping, off-roading gear that Napa Auto Parts offers. It's pretty neat to see them get into this market. But yeah, I think overall this is going to suit my needs just well, and I plan to I'll do a longevity review of it once I've had it for a couple months, maybe a year or so, and then get back with you guys to let you know how it's holding up. But yeah, that's the Maxi Trac Trash Caddy.